guys, today we're playing SCP Archive X. It is actually a tycoon game, and it's just actually my first time playing this game. New game. Oh no, I think it is going to top. Foundation. Ayun, Foundation. 9/11. Sub. No, no. Foundation 9/11. Na. Foundation. Foundation 9/11. Bone plane. Nah, at least doesn't so. What if I just foundation clock? The classic game of SCP-R2 started with 15,000 and works your way up to the special. Wait lang. Hmm? Color. Hmm? Color. Colors. Colors one. That means foundation. Foundation. Oh, I need something that can actually mean self-containment procedure. Or wait, secure. Foundation secure foundation secure one. Yeah. Foundation secure one. Oh, this is going to be the tutorial. Welcome, administration. My name is Skippy. Your automated SCP helper will cover the basic quickly. Click build mode to begin. Close to skip.
Hoy, kala ko nag-charge yan.
First, set up power. Open the furnish tab. Okay, then select a small generator. Oh, small. Place once. Keep power your facilities first. Okay. Oh, a plastic. We'll just place it next to the generator for now. Fitting. No, I'll just place it right here. Since we still have something. Yeah.
Yung ganito, yung ano, kinakain na baboy.
Open build mode. And what? Furnishing. Scroll right. standard desk. What I'll place the standard desk here. Quick link overview. Linking is required to SCP-05 will not run test until you link it to a desktop. So that means open slash. Okay. In linking mode, click the standard desk to link it to SCP-5. Okay. Linking objects. Linking objects allows you to create relationships between SCPs. Always required this for testing, but can optionally have a guard point for security to use if an object does not have all requirements. Okay. So here. Okay. Testing SCP core way to make money with the scientists hired just okay. Great work, you can now have a testing income and staffing in place. Keep building and watch your NPC needs as they grow facilities. Okay, let's go. So, this is SCP-5. Key. Not. Not. Wait. Let's. Thank you. Now let's build. Ah. Apa. Sige. I'll just move it here for a minute. Cause I need some walls. Oh, there. Wall. Okay. Oh wait, we went too far. We went too far. I can't go. I can't move. It's lagging. Not there. Over here. No. Not there. One more. Yes. Not more. I'll just build it there. And then and a door. Oh, I think we didn't place the wall. No, come back. We need a place up there.
Uy! Fiona! Listen mo! Nakita ko na.
You know what? I'm just going to place your small thing about. Cause
Alam mo, yung isang
the dang
yung isang lalaki na nilagay yung bawat sa house tapos yung tawag siya
the dang bed.
at nilagay mo sa tapos there. Ate Marta, kanina pa
I
ba?
just noticed, bruh.
Iwan dito kasi
Wait, I think
yan lang.
I need to move this for a minute.
Mama.
Because I need to create
Ayun naman,
I think we need to go ahead and make bunk a lot of beds because literally making the biggest one.
Wow! Raya is my baboy. No.
Hmm,
Give me my baboy.
yeah. Personal needs, sleep, bathroom, accessory.
Hindi ako magsigaw.
Use clothes. Okay. Open the furnished tab. Personal. Tools tab. Then let's make a room for the staff. Wait, I think we are actually, yes.
Oy!
Bro!
Fiona!
Oh,
Baboy!
toilet. Just need to actually
There we go.
getting in my eyes. Ah! Okay. Okay. Now I can going to add a room. Okay, how can I?
Di ba sabi ko sa'yo, pag uwi ni Ali, dito na si Ali. Binigay mo na bawal. Di ba pag binigay, bawal na kumain? Api po pa, natutulog pa ako sa unan ko. Ba't ang pasok
Oh,
ko?
I think I didn't actually place the walls.
Ang hirap mo.
Forgot to place the walls. Forgot the. I need this. I need to make use red tape. Okay, let's go ahead and then build maybe a wall for this guy. Since he's the only one here, then I'll just go ahead and build a tiny one. Just
Kuya, kanina ka?
go lang. Just build a tiny one.
Ay, Papa. Papa.
Going to build. Oh, you know what? Sure, just build a tiny one.
Yeah.
Going to make this.
Where are you galaw?
No, we will not wait. I'll just put it here because I will move the vet there and need not the floor, that. Right, I already placed the wall. I think the game is buggy. Bro, let me. Oh, never mind. Oh, why? I think because of the thingy, the toilet. That's why. And just now, can I put the wall? Oh, let's go. Does it place? Oh, I forgot. Yes, it plays, but how can I actually build up? How do I Build the roof. Yes. Oh, so that's the roof.
Sorry na. Yan, yan.
We can actually go ahead and yes, sir. Can place that. Then
Kuya, pwede po tapos mo para.
ceiling. Oh, a ceiling. A ceiling light. Oh, okay.
Oh. Okay, what's your next favorite color?
Wait, no. I should have maybe moved this. No, let's make a cafeteria.
Hoy! Lalaro tayo!
We need a class bed.
Oh. Laro tayo! Wait lang. Saan yung galing?
Wait lang. Okay. Wait guys.
Pahulugan na ng dami. Hindi mo sa akin. Kung yung mama mo, oh. Hindi mo sa iyo. Gusto. Ayaw. Ayaw. Yan. Ayaw. Ulit siya. Ayaw.
Okay, I'm back. Now said there's another bed. You know what? Yeah. We need more.
Kukuha ka ng isa, di ba? Kahit ano gusto mo, ang babae. Ipapahulog na yan. Yun. Uy! Hindi na kasi ganyan.
Okay, and then
Mag-surprise na ako.
I knew it was stupid to put all of the foundation in something about.
Hindi, huwag na.
Okay, so now let's. Wait, let's get another standard desk. Now, I'm not sure.
Daya, huwag ka na dyan kumuha. Konti lang daw.
Wait, let's get more staff. Yeah, another one. Not yet. Wait, let's go ahead and let's actually move it through the other one. Yung pinapanood ko, nanet to. Alam mo, pinapanood ni kuya? Siya?
Ito mga anime nyo.
Yung pinapanood ko, nanet? Alam mo? Hmm.
Sa kuya. Yeah.
Hmm.
Ano?
Ay, that's too much. Just one. Then Maybe another bed. Yes, sir. Just for the other one. Then, let's go ahead and then let's build. Then let's build a little wood. What's that? Oh, also that was it. Also, I didn't need to get door. Maybe put it here. Then wait, no. I think I need to actually move this to actually here. Move it like over here. Then umuulan. Umuulan nga.
It's raining in Manila, hindi ka pala.
Naneto. Tawag pa let's just make a tiny one. Tiny one.
Zia! Zia! Share tayo ng mami. Yung mga iba ng tinapay.
Let's get a roof. Then place that ceiling lights from right here. Oof. Oh, that's too much. It's too much.
At kasama
Let's just place the next one should be to here. Yes. That's kind of a lot. Okay, we're kitchen by
Natulog na si Jeff yung pusa. Hoy.
move it like here. Then where is the plastic? Class.
Ayaw mo dyan, tulog si ano eh.
You know?
Ay, Mga jelly balls kayo diya? Oo, jelly balls. Ayun o, balls. Ayun o, mga.
Yes. Okay. With a choir and let's go. So this is our SCP. Do we need something?
Even though my own house.
I think we need something to actually cook.
Kaya mo yung Uni, come here. That's your corn. Unicorn. Why you're a corn? Uni, why are you a corn? I don't want corn. I don't want. Ah! What did you do to my son? What did you do? I don't want a corn.
Oh, so that is okay.
Ah!
Oh
What
my!
did you do to my son?
I'm
What did
lagging.
you do?
Stop. We need. Mm,
Nilalagay natin Spider-Man ang
mm. Ayun. What's this? Why is it floating? And why there is no food? Advanced research? Yes. Advanced research.
Ang saya ko Ang mali! Kakulat! Bye-bye, Marco. Bye-bye.
Okay, I think let's put a mark like here. This will be staff.
Uy!
Mm, staff
Sa
only.
ating mga daw niya.
Yeah.
Paano niyo kuha? Sister, yung sweldo ko. I must buy of money. Ah, Shusha! Shusha! Look at that. Ito na lang mamaya.
Nice.
Te, ano ko na ako na? Bawal lang sa taas. Sorry.
Okay. You know what?
No, no, no.
Let's go ahead and then
No. Tungat, tungat. Tungat.
you know what? I'll get
Tungatan ko.
this and then wait.
Tungat. Manda.
Okay.
Ano na ako sa napa? Tungat na. Tuya. Ano na? Tungat. Tuya.
Build
Ito.
mode.
Nagla.
Mm. Pero buhay na yan ah.
Kuya,
Ah,
ito.
then what now?
Ito. Kuya.
Guess saglit.
Diba?
Think we need security.
Kuya. Baka kalimutan.
Ha?
Ito.
Hello.
Hello, again.
You know what, guys? This is going to be the end of the video for a minute. Then see you at the next video, guys. Bye bye.